Welcome back to the channel. Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. Check out what's behind me. A real gem. Stick around town. Let's get this show on the road, shall we?
There he goes, folks. He's out of here.
Welcome back. So we're at Kenworth of Cleveland for their Kenworth show today, and I definitely wanted to check out this 61 that they restored that was originally sold from their dealership, probably in Ridgefield, I do believe. So we're gonna go check out some trucks. So let's go. yeah, we're here a little early. Things are just kind of getting wound up, but I think it's going to be a good show because all the trucks here were pre-registered, so they know how many trucks they're going to have. Well, these guys got 3 gorgeous big haulers. Show on the road, shall we? So before we get back to the trucks at the Kenworth show, Muffin here and I need to tell you about a very cool trailer that's for sale if anyone's interested. So check out the pictures, and I'm told that just the workbenches inside the trailer go with it, not the other equipment, but a very cool trailer to haul behind for a shop if you want to shop with you. And it's available here locally, and I'll put the number on the screen as we show the pictures.
She says I'm at Crawford up 79. Ghetto as hell. Want to go home, no diary, no nothing.
You can get up in there if you want.
Well, no, thanks. Are you truck? I got up in a Kenworth down there.
They took care of my daughter. They put her up for a month. They put her up straight to like.
You don't want that.
So we got a guy here that wants to say hello.
Hello.
There's Columbo. He's still here asking his questions. Okay guys, before we wrap it up, I want to ask you to do me a favor. If you would, when you watch the videos, please subscribe to the channel and watch the whole video and then like it, and also comment below because I'm interested in hearing what you guys have to say. But if you do those things, it really helps me out. Maybe tell a friend about the channel and have them subscribe. But it does help out to promote the channel and get it out there, which helps us to do more videos to keep things going. So I think that's all I got for this episode. It was really cool seeing the mix of the old and the new trucks. That was kind of cool. But the highlight was that 61 Kenworth Cabover. I think it's a 525. I don't know what designation that is for, but that definitely was the highlight of the day, at least for me. It was a little rough ride in Grasshopper here because it is a short wheelbase cabover, bobtailing, but I think that'll be helped. I think I need to have all the tires balanced. But overall, almost a 200-mile round trip, and he did just fine. So I think that's all I got for you. So I guess until next time, I got to tell you, keep the hammer down, safe and sound. Ready to rock there, Colombo?
Yeah, thank you.